Welcome to Silora. What if I told you about such an amazing tool, that creates super realistic human voiceover for your movies, dramas, YouTube video, and even full narration? First, you need to listen to this example and sample. Yes, I am talking about a tool from Google which creates human realistic voiceover for your movies, dramas, and even full narration. Yes, that is Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is a powerful tool that creates human realistic voiceover and text to speech. Before this, I have tested many tools, and even this is a tool that is better from 11 labs, and the best part that it is completely free and unlimited. I have used many tools and tested them. For example, if I am talking about 11 labs, so 11 labs is best, but it is expensive and limited, and other things that if you use multi-language and mixed language, for example, you have a language that is mixed from English, Urdu, and Arabic, so it will mispronunciate. It will mispronunciate the words, but this tool is amazing. This tool is amazing. Consider it is completely insane, and it is create superhuman realistic, and it understand your script, and then give you best result. And the best part that you can give your instruction, your voice style instruction, unlike other tools, because other tools do not support voice style instruction. You cannot give them and customize them for your voice style instruction. And this is the best tool, and the only one tool that you can give its voice style instruction, because it has two options: multi-speaker and single speaker. In multi-speaker, you can select gender. For example, you need voice of male and you need voice of female, and then give voice style instruction that I need serotonin and I need cinematic tone and other tone. So this is the best part of this tool. And also in single speaker, for example, you are YouTube, and even if you are going to generate voiceover and text to speech for your narration for your audio books, so you can also give its voice style instruction, and it will give you the best result as compared to other tools. So yes, I am talking about Google AI Studio, and it is completely free and unlimited. You can generate unlimited voiceover and text to speech using this powerful AI tool, because Google AI Studio has many options, and it is a new tool that has been added to Google AI Studio to give you opportunity to generate text to speech and voiceover for free realistic voiceover that you will consider it is completely insane, and it is completely free, unlimited, and superhuman realistic voiceover that you have never seen before that. Okay, so first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. You can use either mobile or PC for this purpose. The process is the same. If you use mobile phone, so after opening Google browser, you can search in the search bar Google AI Studio, and the same process you can repeat in PC, as I am using PC. And if you use mobile, so then click on three dots that you will see above, and then click on that three dots and click on desktop site, so you will see the interface like using desktop. So as I came to Google AI Studio, and then upon click on Google AI Studio, you will see such an interface that now I'm going to share with you that how to use this amazing tool. So as you can see that we see the interface of Google AI Studio, and this is the simple interface. Just click on generate media, and you will see there are some options that will appear before you, and first of all, you need to log in. Click on just realistic voiceover, and now you can see. So there is a complete setting, but before the setting you need to have a script. First script you can use chat gpt and other AI tools to generate your best scripts, and then ask your chat gpt or even DeepSeek and other tools that you are going to use, and that now I need voice style instruction, as I am using Google AI Studio and it requires voice style instruction. If you are using Google AI Studio for multi-speaker, so you need to ask ChatGPT to write voice style instruction for multi-speaker, as I have prepared for this script. So just I'm going to clip to copy that script and voice style instruction, and then you will see the result. So as you saw me copying the voice style instruction, and after copying voice style instruction and pasting, I came again, I head to the chat gpt app, and then you can see I need to copy the script. For example, the first dialogue action and part, I'm going to copy this and then paste there, and then you can copy the second, and you can repeat the same process for every part of the script. And after that you can see setting. In setting there is multi-speaker and single speaker. So if you have a dialogue for podcast or movie or for other that need two speaker, so you can select multi-speaker. And if you have a single speaker, for example a YouTube voice or a narration, so then you can click on that single speaker, and below you can see a speaker, for example man and woman. So you can select, and you can select and listen the voice. So whatever voice you like, then select on that and check on that, so it will be selected. And after selecting, just click on run, so it will generating you a voiceover in second. So just need a few seconds wait, and then you will see the best result. So the same process you can repeat for single speaker, because I taught you about just a multi-speaker because that is a little hard. And for single speaker you can also select from male and female voiceover, and then give instruction, and it will give you the best result that you would not seen before that. Once the voice generated, just click on the download button, as you can see three dots, and after that you can just click on that, and the voiceover will be downloaded to your PC, come to a PC, and then you can use in any video editor for your video. So this is best tool I recommend for you if you are a YouTuber, or you are going to generate videos for dialogue in movies, for dramas, or even podcasts. So this is the best tool. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon button for more tutorial and AI tools.